بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of God, the Gracious, the Merciful.
الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم.
God, there is no God except He, the living, the everlasting.
لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم.
Neither slumber overtakes Him, nor sleep.
له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض.
To Him belongs everything in the heavens and everything on the earth.
من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه.
Who is that can intercede with Him except with His permission?
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم.
He knows what is before them and what is behind them.
ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء.
And they cannot grasp any of His knowledge except as He wills.
وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض.
His throne extends over the heavens and the earth,
ولا يؤوده حفظهما.
and their preservation does not burden Him.
وهو العلي العظيم.
He is the most high, the great.